Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the current artificial intelligence boom, which is described by some skeptics as an AI bubble that is waiting to burst. That is a genuine concern, given that there are already more than millions of artificial intelligence models developed by many established companies and startups. And also, the artificial intelligence sector is receiving trillions of dollars of investment. In this regard, a good comparison point would be the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s. Uh, During March 2000 to October 2000, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index lost about 77% of the value. But there are a lot of fundamental differences in the dot-com crash and the current growth in AI investment. The dot-com companies in the late 1990s were really heavily indebted. That is a key difference with the current AI growth. The current growth in AI is funded by well-capitalized mega cap information technology companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and many big companies. And these big companies provide substantial free cash flow, and also they provide more stable base for growth for these companies. And if you look at a lot of different companies, according to the PitchBook data, um, as of April of 2025, there were 727 AI related companies. They were publicly listed on stock exchanges, and there were 33 times more private companies developing many different types of AI. And if you look at the venture capital investment in the first quarter of 2025, about 41% of more than $152 billion venture capital went to the AI sector globally. And if you look at the third quarter of 2025, the proportion increased from 41% to 46%. And if you look at the mega round, like more than $100 million venture capital globally, 66% of mega round AI venture capital investments went to AI, and which was 70% in the US in the third quarter of 2025. So the current AI boom is receiving a lot of investment. Only in 2025, that is last year, 400 billion US dollar was invested in the artificial intelligence sector only by the US companies. And by 2028, estimates suggest that there will be more than $3 trillion investment in data center that is required for the development of AI companies. So there are a lot of things to be optimistic about the recent growth in the AI sector, and which has a key fundamental differences compared to the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s and early 2000s. Thank you.